Hello students. So I hope you have the data set for which we are going to do the analysis, and this is the data from 1st August to 5th August where we are going to do the analysis for the performance of marketing campaign held by our company for Amazon product promotions. Okay, so there are five different sheets in one single Google file, and in my one of the video I have shown you this code where from one single file, if we have five different sheets or many different sheets, so I've combined them. Okay, so I've combined them, and now I've entire file as a single file. Okay, all the different rows from different sheets. Okay, from different sheets are now combined, and they are stored in a one single variable called as file. Okay, now what I want to do is I want to perform the basic data analysis on this. So this is called as a data overview. Okay, this is the data overview where I'm going to tell or to my client, boss, or anyone, I'm just showing from this particular code that how many rows and columns are there. Okay, so there are total 14 rows and 7 columns. So after this I must write an insight that there are 14 rows and 7 columns. Okay, so you can see that these insights you need to write always when you are writing any code. So guys, what is the intention of this particular analysis today? I'm going to show you that whenever you get any kind of such data where you have daily progress analysis, or you have the daily progress basically, and your job, your task is to find out how you can do the descriptive analysis, exploratory analysis, and predictive analysis from this daily analysis. But you can't do it for one single file. Why? Because on one single day, you don't know what is the performance. It might be very low. Correct? You cannot analyze one single day, okay, as a combined day, right? If we have here time-wise data, like what happened in 24 hours, time by time, each hour data, if we have, we can analyze that. But we don't have. We have entire day of data. In entire day, only four different keywords were searched. Okay, for which I got some results for my Amazon promotion campaign. That's it. So I can do it for one day. It is a very small data set. All right. So what is option left with me is I want to combine lot of data. I need to get lot of data, and I want to do. Now I'm showing this analysis for students for the live project. Okay, so that's why I have only data set till 5th of August. I don't have any data set from 6th August. We have to download it today night, and then I may show it in the next analysis. That's why I can do only 5 days of analysis. But for this entire month, I'm going to show you that whenever we get one by one day of the data, okay, each day data, we have to combine it with the same kind of code. I just have to add up the multiple sheets over here. That's it. Name of the multiple sheets. Automatically, I will get the data inserted over here. Similarly, if I want any weekly analysis data, mid-monthly analysis data, or monthly analysis data, that also we are going to do. All right. Currently, I have the requirement of, let's say my boss has asked me to do analysis of 5 days, previous 5 days of data set. So I've written all that five sheet names over here, and my sheet is combined here. All right. Now what I want to do is I want to do the data overview. Okay. So how many rows and columns are there? I have done it. Okay. And I have used the describe function through which I'm trying to do the descriptive analysis. Okay. So how many total rows are there of impression, clicks, orders, and everything that has been written? 14 means there are 14 rows of impression, 14 rows of column, 14 rows. This is only simple thing, right? Then average number of impressions are 1.2, means approximately you can consider only one. Okay, similarly clicks are 0.07, which is almost zero, right? And order place and everything is 0.00, right? So minimum impression is 1, maximum is 3. Everything you can write your insights by your own. So here I leave it for you that you have to write that insights. Okay, from this what kind of insights you need to mention is, okay, okay, I'll not leave it to you. Okay, we'll write it together. What we have to do is we have to, or here I will write insights. Okay, we have to write here insights. So there are uh, here, if we can see, minimum is one impression, the maximum is three impressions. Okay, so there are uh, maximum three impressions and okay, no, minimum I don't want to write it because obviously, see, minimum one impression is there. That's why all the top queries are there with me. Okay, whatever keywords are listed over here, whatever keywords are listed over here, they are here because minimum impression is one. Otherwise, they won't be here. Correct. So I am just writing here that maximum impression is three. So I am going to write here. This is very low, and we cannot do further analysis for this data. Okay, we have the data set with 14 rows. Actually, we can do some analysis, but what we actually have is only the data set where maximum impressions are three. Okay, for one single kind of data set. Now, the question is these impression, okay, but the max impression count is according to keywords. Okay, these are according to keywords which might be repeated but are not considered. But are not considered togetherly. Okay, means what I want to say is there are different kind of keywords written over here, and there are multiple keywords which are repeatedly written over here. Why they are multiply written? Obviously, on 5th of August, there was a keyword searched for three times, or it was displayed for three times. Okay, and on 4th August also, for the same keyword, my website was displayed for two times. Correct. So there are same keywords written over here, but on different dates, right? And that's why this maximum impression is not actually the maximum impression. Correct. So I will write here this maximum impression is not useful. Okay, this is not useful. Then what I want to do is I will first of all check with this code that for each unique term, okay, you can see that for each unique term, what is the frequency of that keywords basically? What is the frequency for each unique term or keyword you can mention here? Keyword, what is frequency of occurring on multiple days? Okay, for multiple days means what I want to say is foldable table for office. Okay, so foldable table for office, I can see that this is over here, and foldable table is also on here, means 3rd August and 4th August. That's why its frequency is 2, right? Its frequency is 2 means it has been searched for two different days. So I'm going to write here insights like what are the top keywords which are having maximum frequency, why? Because our marketing teams wants to know. Okay, our marketing team wants to know, we want to describe the data set basically. Okay, as a data analyst we want to describe that these are the keywords. Okay, these are the keywords for which we have the maximum queries over here. That's it. So I'll just copy paste. Okay, these are the keywords for which we have the maximum number of time frequency of occurrence. These are the keywords for which multiple times our website was shown on different days. Okay, so same thing I'm going to write here. These are the keywords for which, oh sorry, I have not given here hashtag. Okay, for which our website was shown for multiple days. Okay, why do we require this? This is required because tomorrow when I'm going to show you 6 days of data, so I'm not going to write down a separate code. I'm just going to replace my sheet names over here, and automatically with one single click of data set, with the one single click here of run button, my entire analysis should be ready, and I will just edit my insights over there. Nothing else I will do. Correct? This is my intention. So here also what I'm writing is, these are the top keywords for which our website is shown multiple times to the customers or visitors. Okay, on different days. Okay, so these things I have written. So these are the keywords for which for which our marketing team should put our efforts. Okay, so for the above keywords, we are getting better response compared to other keywords. So marketing team should increase uh, they should increase the marketing efforts. They should increase marketing efforts for the above keywords. Okay, they should increase the marketing efforts for the above keyword. This is what is the decision told by the data analyst. So correct or not? So imagine that after 1 month, when I'm going to show you similar kind of data set, I'm going to give you similar kind of data. Okay, so these keywords might be increasing. There will be today there are total unique, if you consider. Okay, so there are only 5 to 6 or maximum 10 keywords are there. Let's say imagine we have 100 different keywords, or 200 different keywords, or 510,000, 1 lakh, 1 crore different kind of keywords for which our website is shown to the customers. It is useless data for me unless our data analyst find the only useful keywords for which we are getting response. Correct? So these are the keywords for which our website is shown on the multiple days. How did I know that? It's easy. With the help of value counts, I have just found out these are the terms, okay, present in the second row. Okay, and with the help of value counts function, what I have done, how many times this term has been repeated. I have not yet added the impressions. Huh? I'm not adding the impressions. I'm just finding how many times this term has been repeated. Okay, this term is here also present, and this term is present here also. Means what? On 4th of August also there is the term. Okay, and on 5th of August also there is the term. Correct? Means on 2 days it has been repeated. Similarly, this keyword is there. This keyword is there. This is also repeated on 2 different days. Correct? Imagine that we are giving such kind of keywords to our marketing team. Like, these are the keywords which are repeated for 100 days, 200 days, and we are getting good response. Then they will put efforts to only these selected keywords compared to thousands and lakhs of other keywords available. So our marketing efforts will be at the correct direction. Okay, so this is how we have done. Now I want to also know, for this particular keyword, I just wanted to know, for this particular keyword, total impressions are how much. So this is the for one impression, and here is also one impression. Combinedly two are there, so I've written the code here. Okay, I've just written the code here. Okay, I've just grouped by the top queries, means which are nothing but the keywords, and based on which I've done the addition of all other rest of the columns. You can see that foldable keywords. Now foldable table for office. For this keyword, total impressions are two combinedly. I don't know for which days impressions were there. Means for 4th August, how many impressions are there? 5th August, how many impressions are there? 6th August, how many impressions are there? I don't know separately. But in this data set, I can see that combinedly what was the actual scenario. And now what I want is, I want what is the keyword for which maximum impressions are there till now. Okay, for which I've used the ID max function. Okay, and based on impression, I want to find out that term, and see I have found out that term, that is the noise west round dial smartwatch. This is the keyword for which, okay, this is the term for which we are actually getting more impressions. Okay, just 1 minute, guys. So I hope now the students from Zoom meeting and students who are attending my lecture from Google Meet, all the students have got the point. Is there any kind of doubt till now? Let me know. You can just type in the chat box. Let me know whether you have any doubt. Guys, tell me today only, because today we are completing descriptive analysis for this project. Tomorrow we will be having exploratory analysis, and then slowly we will be turning towards predictive analysis. Then this project will be parallelly going on. You will have two classes in one particular day. Okay, one in the morning, one in the evening. Okay, so in morning we are going to start decision tree algorithm. Okay, from Monday. From Monday we are having decision tree algorithm. So please try to ask your doubt in here only. All right. So this particular project is for marketing team, where we have a single file. Okay, from 1st August till ongoing days. So this is day by day data. What I have done is I have first of all combined the data. Okay, and I have single file. After that, I've just checked how many rows and columns are there, basic things. Okay, with the help of describe functions, I have checked that minimum values of impression, maximum value of impression, how many are there. But then I recognize that no, there are the keywords which are repeated multiple times and they are not actually combined. To combine them, what I have done is simply I have added up. Okay, I have grouped them. Okay, grouped them based on the queries. Based on the first column, this column, I have added up all the impressions, clicks, and everything. Okay, and also what I have done is with the help of value count function, I have found out that on how many multiple days whether the keyword was repeated. Okay, so same thing tomorrow whenever I am going to get the 6th August data set, so I will paste that data over here. I will share that file with you, but our code will not change. In our code only slight modifications will be there. I will add here the new sheet, and rest of the things will be same. I will run the file in front of you. All the analysis will be ready within a minute. Okay, and I will get what is the keyword for which maximum impressions are there. This is my ultimate intention. Okay, this is what marketing team wants to hear. This is one of the requirement. Now tomorrow marketing team can ask me what is the keyword for which we have maximum clicks, what is the keyword for which we have maximum orders, what is the keywords for which our uh, you know uh, marketing is not actually good. Okay, and people are returning their orders. Correct, we have to find that. Today we have 0 0 0, everything is 0. That's why we are only dealing with impression. But as day on day our project will go on, go on, go on. Okay, for till end of this month we will not require that. On 15th August only we will get 100% sale. Already the sale has been started yesterday on Amazon. So we will soon get the orders, we will soon get the shipments, we will soon get some kind of clicks over here. Okay, and based on which our intention is to find out what are the keywords for which our performance is good, what are the keywords for which our performance is bad. Listen very carefully. Marketing team is going to only ask us, I want to understand from data analyst that what are the keywords and how many keywords are there, which are performing good, which are performing bad. So data analysts, what they should do is they should have a combined file with them, and they should run this kind of code. Same code you have to run. Okay, and you should get first of all understanding of what do you mean by uh, successful keywords and what do you mean by failure keywords. The keywords which are having obviously maximum impressions are highly demanding keywords. The keywords which are having maximum clicks, yes, they are also the keywords for which our marketing team is doing good. Okay, orders placed, yes, it should be higher. Shipment, it should be higher. Okay, and written orders, it should be lower. Correct or not? The keywords for which our orders are placed too much but written orders are less, that keywords are performing good. If marketing team is asking, find the keywords which are not performing good, which are actually very poor, which are performing very poor, so that we should remove that keywords from our efforts. Means what marketing team wants, common sense is there, like written orders should not be there, na? Whenever there are hundreds of written orders, okay, let's say for example, for this for this keyword there are 100 orders and 99 orders are written, that is only the keyword for which marketing team is doing bad, or product quality is bad, whatever is there, immediately we should report to marketing team that remove this product from our marketing efforts, do not promote, because maximum customers are doing written orders, correct? So such kind of efforts we want to put, and such kind of analysis we have to find out. All right. So in this way, tomorrow also, whenever today night only, we get 6 hours of data, I will add that and I will share that data with you. You can try by yourself what are the keywords, because today we will get some good demand. You can see that on 1st August we were having only 3 data points. On 2nd August we were having only one data point. 3rd August two only data point. But from 4th August, actually we are seeing good progress in our marketing. 4 data points are there. Okay, 5th August, four data points are there, and we are confident. Our marketing team is confident. On 6th August, we have done great thing. Today at midnight 12, that data will be ready to download. We will download it and send it to you. It will be having more than four, at least more than four keywords. I don't know how many keywords might be there, but obviously it will be more than four. Okay, and then you will be having good amount of data to do the analysis. Then what is your task? Before coming to tomorrow's lecture, you have to just add here 6th August data sheet and run the file. You just have to here add up 6th August 2024. This is the 6th August data sheet. Okay, nothing else you have to do, and then you will run the file. Same file you will run, everything will be same. Okay, and you will get here what is the keyword for which maximum impressions are there. This might be same or this might be changed, but within a fraction of second it will be understood to us. Okay, so this kind of coding can be done by us and not by the marketing team. Similarly, such kind of analysis we are going to provide for finance team, for HR team, and lots of projects are going to be happen. All right. So see you guys tomorrow in the lecture, and today night at 12 midnight. Okay, 12 a.m. In the midnight, I am going to share you the data set of 6th August. Try to do the analysis. I am going to share you this Python notebook with you also. Thank you so much. And from Monday, you are going to have two different lectures, in the morning also, in evening also. Two parallel projects will be started. This project will be for next 3 months. So this will be ongoing project for 3 months. I'm going to show you, and as the days are going to increase, data set will be larger and larger. Based on that data increasing points only, we are trying to learn how many different techniques can be found out for data analysis. Okay, and parallelly in the morning, I'm going to start decision tree algorithm. Okay, from basics also I'm going to start, and within 2 days I'm going to start a project on decision tree. Then slowly we will try to shift it in the three classes. So there will be three projects parallelly going on after some days. In this way, we are going to proceed. All right. So stay tuned, guys. See you tomorrow in the lecture.